I would like to say a very good morning to everyone. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate an auspicious occasion of 2nd October, 151th birth anniversary of Mahatma. At this day, the father of the nation took birth in 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. This celebration means a lot to us. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karmachand Gandhi. However, popularly known as Gandhiji, father of the nation, and Bapu all over the world. The birthday of Bapu gets celebrated all over our country as Gandhi Jayanti. However, all over the world as an event, International Day of Non-Violence. Bapu took birth in a very small town of the country. However, his deeds were so great that no one could stop to get spread all over the world. He was a person who always believed in getting freedom from the British rule very peacefully through non-violence. Bapu was a great freedom fighter who spent his whole life in struggling for freedom of India. After realizing a real pain of Indians, he started participating in various freedom movements together with Gopal Krishna Gokhale. The campaigns what he ran for India's freedom were Non-Cooperation Movement in 1920, Civil Disobedience Movement in 1930, and Quit India Movement in 1942. He went to prison many times, but he never lost his patience of fighting peacefully. The whole life of Bapu has been set as an example of patriotism, sacrifice, non-violence, simplicity, and firmness. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated with lots of preparation every year by the Indian people. The aim of celebrating this occasion is to pay tribute to the Bapu as well as let our future generation know about all the struggles made by Bapu in order to get freedom from British rule. It teaches us to be active with open eye every time in order to maintain the honor of our motherland. As we are celebrating 151th birth anniversary of Mahatma, let us impart the qualities of Mahatma like patriotism, sacrifice, non-violence, and simplicity in our life too. On this occasion, I would like to share with you saying of the Mahatma Gandhi. My life is my message, and you must be the change you wish to see in the world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.